What if a simple mobile game could actually send money to your Cash App account? That's the big promise behind Cash Apples, a game that's been going viral online with ads claiming you can win real cash just by playing. Naturally, a lot of people are curious whether this is a legit opportunity or just another mobile game making big promises to get downloads. Cash Apples presents itself as a casual game where players complete simple tasks and collect apples that supposedly convert into rewards. And the concept is clearly designed to feel fun and easy so almost anyone can start playing within seconds. However, there are a few important things players should understand before getting too excited. First, this game appears to be tied to a limited promotional giveaway, which means it's not designed as a consistent way to earn money online. Only a small number of players are randomly selected to receive minor rewards, and for many users the experience may simply be playing the game without ever receiving a payout. Another thing worth noting is that games like this often become popular quickly on social media, and when something goes viral, scammers sometimes create fake copies of the app or imitation websites pretending to be the real game. Those fake platforms may try to trick users into providing personal information, linking payment apps, or even paying small activation or processing fees, which is a major red flag. Because of that, it's extremely important to be cautious and only download apps from trusted sources while avoiding any platform that asks for sensitive details. Overall, Cash Apples looks like a typical promotional-style mobile game, built around the excitement of potential rewards rather than a reliable income method. Some players may get lucky with small prizes, while many others simply play for entertainment. The key takeaway is to treat it like a game first and not depend on it as a real way to make money, and always stay alert for fake versions trying to take advantage of the hype around viral cash game apps.